Food with Vincent. Hi, I'm Vincent. I'm Nessa. And today we're gonna make pancakes. Add 1 egg. Beat the egg. Add the almond milk. Now add the vanilla flavor. Now add the butter. Be careful so you don't spill on your counter. Mix it well. Now it's for the dry ingredients, and I'm gonna help Vanessa. Add the salt. Now put in the flour. Mommy too. Now the sugar. Oh, this I can't do it. And now we stir. Now it's time to put them together. It's so hard now. It's so hard now. Make sure you mix them very well. Clean up the area and then set up the griddle. Turn on the griddle for 375 degrees. The griddle's green. It's time to put the pancakes on. This is my favorite part. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. The pancake that has a lot of bubbles is ready to flip over. The pancakes are getting flipped. The little one. I'm so excited. And soon we're gonna able to eat them. I'm so excited. Pancakes are ready! I hold it. Do not hold it unless it's so hot. While the other pancakes are cooking, we're gonna do the taste test. You want some maple syrup? Okay. Okay, it's time to do the taste test. You know how good it is? Make it at home and get this maple syrup. It's so good. Definitely so good. So what do you think? Boom! It's like boom! Like jumping, no? Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you. Bye.